Hello everyone, today I will be going to solve this question, longest repeating characters replacement. So in this question, what the question says that we have given a string s and an integer 2. So k is 2 and string is this. We have to find the maximum subarray of this string such that after replacing the character other than the previous character, so we can get a same character. We have to maximum possible length through which after doing the operation we can get the same character string. You can give so question says you are given a string s and an integer k. You can change any character of the string and change it to any uppercase English character. You can perform the operation at most k time, so you can change the any character to any uppercase character. Let's say b you can change and k will be 1, and again you will be change this b to a and this also. So you are doing this 2 times, so you can do it at most of 2 times only because key's value is 2. After doing this, what is the maximum length of the same character string? That is the fourth, so we have to output the fourth. So return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing this operation. So we have to return the longest possible string of the same character after doing such operation in k times. So for this we will be using the concept of the sliding window. Like we will be starting we will be putting our start pointer here and end pointer at the same time, and then we will be increment our end pointer. Now start pointer will be at 0, end pointer will be at b, that is 1. And if it's say the sum of the character count of the total occurrence of a is less than the length of the I'm sorry, I repeating again. Start point is at 0 and end is at 1, so we'll take the length and we will count the value of end character, that is a start, that is a. So count the number of times a is occurring and minus subtract the length of the that is, then we will got one as an answer. So the one value must not be greater than k. If it occurs, then we have to increment our start pointer to the next. So we have to left this character. So let us understand this by code. So at first what we will be going to do is, at first step we will be changing the string into the character array. So changing char arrays. Also we'll be taking the frequency array. So let me first take the frequency array, which will store the total number of counts, that is total number of a's in the strings. Int char count is equal to new of 256. Let us say 256 length, not the 26, because in 256 we can simply put the character a, increment the ASCII value of the character a only. Does not have to subtract the character a from this letter character I. So this will simplify our answer. So let us take only 256 only. Now changing the string into the character array. Char of answer is equals to character array. Let me call it, and now we'll be using sliding window concept, and getting the maximum possible window which will store the same character string substring. So for that we should first initialize our start pointer, and then we'll be also taking our so char count is there, so we'll be count so this is the this will indicate the let me write it separately so that no confusion occurs here. This will represent the count of this will represent the count of the same character, and this is gonna represent the this will store the actually not represent max length of window. So let's start from here, iterating. Step third would be iterating through character array and adjusting the window length int ed is equal to 0. So our start pointer is here, and all the end pointer will also start from here, and end pointer will go all the way to the last of the string. So we should first increment the character count, increment the character count index. So character count is caret int plus plus. Now after incrementing it, we will take the length of this count length okay maximum value of this we will take the maximum value of this and the previous count length, and after that while the length of the window, that is int minus start plus 1 minus count length is greater than k, we will be decrementing the count of the start and incrementing the start pointer. So what's happening here is, if max occurring character minus length of window becomes greater than k, that means the value, like here a b b, again the b is coming, so the count of the a minus the length, that is 0 1 2 3 4, that is the length is 5 here and the count k is 1 here, length count of the maximum occurring character is 3 minus 5, that is 2, and that is greater than k, then absolutely we cannot do nothing of this character except rejecting, so we will reject that character and choose this one. Again the same thing is happening, so we will be choosing this one again, then we will be go here, again the thing is happening, then here the b will be our maximum occurring character and the length is 3 and k value is at 1, so this is in this way it is done. And if it is doing so, then we will decrement the count value, character count, then we will be decrement the character count value of the index at the start, because we are now neglecting the starting index, a window, the start decreasing the size of the window, so we will be neglecting the state. So s of char char at start, and we will be decrementing its value, and also we will be incrementing the start pointer, so start will come here and the window starts from here till end and this way. So this is a good statement, but in place of this I can also write just here post incrementing in, this is also good with the same statement. Now what we have to do, now we will have to deal with the get the maximum length of the window. So char length length of the window, what is the length of the window, end minus start plus 1. In this example, till here no issues, till here no issues, 4 will be returned, maximum size is 4, so after that we will be returning characters length. Let's see where are the errors. Spelling of while is wrong here. forgot the bracket. Here also I forgot the same bracket. So here the cases are passing. Let us submit this. And yes, it runs good, but it beats very less. In my previous cases, yeah, this was the same thing, but it was beating 99%. This was the code, simple code, and this is the well explained code. So you can refer from this. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thanks a lot.